Once upon a time, in a city filled with noise and fury, there was a young man named Alex. With stars in his eyes, Alex had just received his first paycheck. Instead of indulging in the fleeting pleasures of consumption, he asked himself, "How can I make the most of what I've earned?" He sought advice from 3 financial advisors, each offering a different perspective. The first, Mr. Short Term, promised quick gains, highlighting trendy stocks and cryptocurrencies. "It's the future," he exclaimed. "You could double your money in a year." The second, Mrs. Medium Term, was more measured. She spoke of mutual funds, diversification, and economic cycles. "A balance between risk and reward," she said, "with patience. You could see your investment grow steadily." Then there was Mr. Long Term, older, with silver hair and a gaze filled with infinite wisdom. He spoke of quality stocks, bonds, reinvested dividends, and above all, the power of compound interest. "It's not about market timing, but time in the market," he whispered. Curious, Alex asked, "But why choose this path, which seems so slow and cautious?" Mr. Long Term smiled and shared a story. "Imagine a forest," he began. "At first, it's just a seed. If you plant it and give it water and sunlight, it becomes a sapling. The sapling, over time, grows tall, strong, and majestic. Each year, it adds a new layer, becoming more and more robust. The same goes for your investment. You plant it, nurture it, and over time, it grows steadily and inexorably." Moved by this vision, Alex realized that true wealth wasn't measured in quick, fleeting gains, but in patiently building a solid and lasting foundation. He chose the long-term path, and as the years went by, he saw his investment grow, just like the tree in the forest. And like the tree, he became a pillar, not just for himself, but for his family and community.